Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So when s approach to number 0, we put number 0 going here and here. So side of number 0, you got number 0, else and number 1, you got number 0. So we can apply about elf hospital in here. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So first the derivative of sine x, that is about cosine x. This one, that is about 1 over 1 plus x. After we do first the derivative, and now we can put number 0 going here and here. So we have the final answer. Cosine of number 0, we have number 1. This one we have number 1. So we have 3 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.